4 sponsors on that bill, in which you would hear from 3 of those sponsors. House Bill 124 is similar to House Bill 38 that was passed in the introduced in the 2013-2014 session. A portion of that bill was rolled into House Bill 589 into a study bill. But last session, the Senate took up no study bill. But if it had, it would address some of the concerns that we had. The study bill would have looked at the popular vote, reducing the 40%, or keeping the 40%, or looking at different races for different portion of the electoral process. House Bill 124 has just one caveat, and that is to remove the 40% threshold. By doing that, the candidate that will receive the highest number of votes in the May primary would be the candidate that will move over into the November election. Why House Bill 124? Number 1, cost. Number 2, low voter turnout. And number 3, that many voters believe that when they cast that vote in the May primary, that the election is over until the general election there. But that second primary must be taken 7 weeks after the primary, the second primary. And the county bears the cost for that. If we'll look at primary costs from 1994 to 2012 and possibly 2014, in 1994, it cost $3.5 million to have a second primary. 2010, $5 million. 2012, $7 million. In 2012, there was 6.15 million voters, 222,000 cast ballots during the second primary, which equal about 3.61% of the voters. Not bad. The cost was $31.50 per vote. For instance, in our county, in the second primary, the May primary generated 17,000 votes. The second primary generated 4,000 votes. And the cost of that was somewhere in the neighborhood of about $23.75 per vote that was paid. Total cost was about $95,000 for that second primary cost. If you look at the second primary as it is now in the statute, the person who does not get 40% or get 39% can be placed into the second primary with a candidate with 25%. There are 11 states today that have some form of second primary. Most of those are southern states, with Vermont having one only if there is a tie. In 2014, there was no statewide primary, second primary, but of the 100 counties, there was about a third that had some form of second primary there. And I would like to, what we'll do now is have Representative Shaw, Representative Jordan, at a time we'll be glad to take questions from.